Introducing the Tikom G8000 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner, a cutting-edge cleaning solution designed to revolutionize household maintenance. With its innovative 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping capabilities, powerful 4,500 pascals suction, and extended 150-minute runtime, this vacuum cleaner offers unparalleled cleaning efficiency. Equipped with advanced Gyroscope smart navigation technology, it ensures thorough and systematic cleaning coverage, surpassing the performance of random path robotic vacuums. Furthermore, its compatibility with the mobile app, voice assistance, and remote control provides users with ultimate convenience and control options. Join us as we delve deeper into the features and functionalities of this remarkable cleaning device. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1 to 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping. This vacuum cleaner presents itself as a versatile cleaning solution with its innovative 2-in-1 sweeping and mopping functionality. Incorporating the latest mopping technology, it features an electronically controlled water pump with adjustable 3-level water output. This allows users to achieve a thorough and completely clean home environment, seamlessly transitioning from vacuuming to mopping with ease. Number 2. 4,500 PA strong suction. One of the standout features of this vacuum cleaner is its impressive 4,500 pascals strong suction power. This formidable suction capability sets it apart from other robotic vacuum cleaners, enabling it to effectively vacuum up debris, crumbs, and dirt from various surfaces, including carpet fibers, in a single pass. This ensures thorough and efficient cleaning results with minimal effort required from the user. Number 3. 150 mins runtime and self-charging. Equipped with a larger battery capacity, this vacuum cleaner boasts an impressive 150 minutes of continuous runtime. This extended runtime allows it to cover larger areas and complete more cleaning tasks without interruption. Additionally, the vacuum incorporates multiple protections for the battery to ensure its safety and longevity. Furthermore, the G8000 Pro features convenient self-charging capabilities, automatically returning to its charging station when the battery is low, ensuring it's always ready for use. Number 4. Gyroscope smart navigation. This vacuum cleaner utilizes advanced Gyroscope smart navigation technology to optimize its cleaning efficiency. Unlike random path robotic vacuums, this device follows an efficient zigzag path, resulting in more thorough and systematic cleaning coverage. Studies have shown that this exclusive smart navigation system improves cleaning efficiency by an impressive 30%, ensuring no area is left untouched. Number 5. AP and voice and remote control. In addition to its advanced cleaning capabilities, this vacuum cleaner offers enhanced convenience and control options. Users can effortlessly control the vacuum using the dedicated mobile app, which provides access to 5 cleaning modes: Smart Clean, Edge Clean, Spot Clean, Random Clean, and Manual Clean. Furthermore, the vacuum is compatible with voice assistants such as Alexa and Google Home, allowing for seamless hands-free operation. For added convenience, this vacuum cleaner also comes equipped with a remote control, offering traditional control options for users who prefer a tactile interface. Dimensions. Product dimensions are 12.6 inches length by 12.6 inches width by 3 inches height. Specifications. Take a moment to look at the specifications. Pause if you'd like to read them thoroughly. Conclusion. The Tikom G8000 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner stands as a testament to innovation and efficiency in household cleaning. Its versatile design, powerful suction, extended runtime, and smart navigation capabilities make it a standout choice for modern homes. With the added convenience of app, voice, and remote control options, users can experience unparalleled ease and flexibility in maintaining a pristine living environment. Whether tackling carpets, hardwood floors, or tile surfaces, This vacuum cleaner delivers exceptional results with every cleaning session. Embrace the future of cleaning technology with this vacuum cleaner and discover a new level of cleanliness and convenience. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.